Hi there, I'm Christine Dunbar from SpeechModification.com, and this is my Smart American Accent training. In this video, we'll look at how to pronounce manufacturer, manufacturing, and manufacturer. So first, let's just look at the root word manufacture. And we have in this word, the stress is on the third syllable, fac. It's going to have that clear ah vowel like in black. And you're going to want to have length there. And then our mania and chur syllables are all going to be short and may have reduced vowels. We do still have the ah vowel also in the first syllable here, just like in the word man, but I'm not going to hold it a long time. Not manufacture, but manufacture, manufacture. For the letter U here, we can say a bit of an oo sound. You might notice as I'm saying that word by itself, it may come out a little bit tense, but generally it's going to be reduced to more of a ya, manufacture. Because it's a reduced syllable, it's not stressed, and we're going to have that vowel schwa there. Notice though that the NU combination here, that we do have another sound before the vowel. So even though there's no letter representing this y sound, we do have a y sound. In manufacture, it's very similar to, for example, in the word menu, we have that same pattern. In this case, it's an oo sound, where we have the new combination. So watch out for, in the dictionary, you'll see the y sound. The symbol for that is like the letter J. That's the IPA symbol for the y glide. So putting it all together, manufacture. At the end here, this TU says the ch sound, and then we have the unstressed American sound. So we can build it one syllable at a time, slowly. I think the challenge with this word is that this TU has the ch sound and this NU has the y sound. So there's a lot of hidden sounds in the word manufacture. Let's go slowly. Manufacture, manufacture, manufacture. You can also start with a stress syllable and build from there. That can help with the rhythm and the vowel sounds. That would sound like facture, manufacture. And then when we change it to manufacturer, we just add another . Now I say that just add another . It's not easy to do, but when I say manufacturer, I have to say my with my tight R, relax it, and then say it again. Trying that slowly, chur, facturer, manufacturer. And then when we change to manufacturing, we just add the ing, which is the I vowel, and the ng sound, ing, manufacturing. Do try practicing these phrases, these words, in some short phrases once you master them as words, because you may find that you master the ability to say manufacturer and manufacturing, manufacturer, and then you go to use it, like I need to return it to the manufacturer, and it still is a struggle to say those words fluently and easily. So building up your practice by putting these words into phrases is going to help your fluency and help you maintain that correct pronunciation when you're using it in everyday speech. If you need help for any of the sounds in this word, do check out our Sounds of English course on SpeechModification.com. Of course, we also have our Word of the Day course there. That's a free course that has these Word of the Day videos as well as definitions for the words. And then our paid courses are all available for $2 or less. So they're a really economical way to build a strong foundation to improve your pronunciation for whatever words you're looking for and increase your overall fluency in American English. Thanks so much for liking, commenting, making your requests. If you have a request you'd like to see me cover in this Word of the Day series, feel free to leave that in the comments for this video or any of my videos. I'll add it to my list to cover in a future class. I'll be back again tomorrow with another Word of the Day class, as well as on Saturday we'll have our live question and answer class. I hope to see you there. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate your support, and a special shout out to our channel members. Thank you for joining as a member. I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com. Remember, if you want to sound like a native speaker, you can do it. speechmodification.com. Bye, everyone. See you again soon.